Hi, I'm Lauren. I'm a student at Coleg y Cymoedd. The advice day is for anyone who's from outside the college can come to the college and see what amazing courses we have to offer throughout the campuses.
Advice days like this are very important because we showcase all of our courses, not just the A-level courses that we provide, but the vocational courses, the apprenticeships that are available, work-based learning.
As ambassador, I'm taking people on a tour to show them the amazing facilities we have within the college.
They've been really excited about coming to the college, and I've showed them the right places where to go.
We've had lots and lots of people in. I'm amazed at how big it is, going out with smiles and saying, yeah, I really want to come here.